There are around 1 million immigrants of African origin living in Italy, but many are denied passports even after spending decades in the country. Italy's parliament is now considering relaxing its citizenship laws, but the country's new government has just scrapped its Ministry of Integration, which was formed to fight the growing number of racist attacks in the country. So how are African Italians faring? The BBC's Sarah Moktehezadeh reports from Rome.
The prospect of a new life in Europe. For tens of thousands of migrants each year, these shores are the gateway to a fresh start. But the reality of integrating into Italian life can be just as torturous as the journey to get here. Italy's complex laws prevent most migrants from gaining a passport, and navigating the bureaucratic maze to citizenship is near impossible. Mohammed Abdallah Talmoun is part of a new generation of Italians. His parents chose the promise of Italy over the uncertainty of life in Libya. But although Mohammed has lived here for 35 years, he's still not a citizen.
I was missing the document that proved that I didn't commit any crimes in Libya. I arrived in Italy when I was 5. It's absurd that they were asking me for such a document when I came here when I was so young. Like me, many other children of migrants have problems getting documents from their home countries.
But a warm welcome is hard when your economy is sinking. Unemployment is at record rates in Italy at over 12%. On average, 90 businesses close down here every day. Many Italians feel that foreigners are a threat not just to their way of life, but to their livelihoods. Easing the passage of new immigrants has hardly been a priority for politicians. More often, migrants are mere scapegoats for Italy's misfortunes. Cécile Kyenge tried to change that as the country's former integration minister. She moved to Italy from the Democratic Republic of Congo, but her time as the country's first black cabinet minister was marred by racism. Kyenge had bananas thrown at her, and an Italian senator likened her to an orangutan.
No doubt I am a symbol. The European Union has a lot of work to do. It's actually a real and true battle against hate crime. And this is a priority for me, so those who follow won't go through the same thing.
As summer approaches, the seas between Italy and North Africa will calm, and the pace of arrivals will quicken. But those hoping to make this home will have to wait, as the country struggles to reinvent itself. Sarah Moktehezadeh, BBC News.